Hello folks, I thought that I'd make this video to inform people about the process on how house foundations are constructed in Guinea. This is the quarry from which my limestone have been extracted. The first couple of shots you saw was the Portland cement that's sold in Guinea. There are no universal standards for Portland cement. Each country has its own standards. My entire house was done by hand. No backhoes, no excavators for digging, no graders for leveling. So my son is helping with the excavation here. The excavation for the foundation is being dug with picks and shovels. As you can see, several men are digging while others are working on the rebar. They're using wood frames as a guide for the excavation. The depth of the excavation was about 1.5 meters, so about 3 to 4 feet. Plywood forms are constructed to hold the concrete in place after the footers is installed. The footer is a trench that goes around the entire perimeter of the house. The steel is to reinforce everything, and it is delivered and formed on site. We use the precast strip foundation or stem wall kind of foundation. Basically, prefabricated blocks are assembled together. They're installed in the finished trench that you see there. They are bound with steel wire, and the seams are filled with cement mortar. The prefabricated strip foundations are very strong and durable. The lifetime is about 150 years. But there are limitations, one of which is cutting the concrete filled blocks. Another one is that it is only suitable for rectangular foundations. If your foundation walls are too high, sooner or later, water will begin to seep through the seams. And to prevent some of those challenges, we plastered the entire walls with some additive, some waterproof agents to prevent water from going through the seams. So you work hard, you play hard. These are the young men helping us with the fill of the foundation. So we had 19 full trucks to fill the foundation with the red soil. One thing you need to keep in mind is that super dry base doesn't compact well. So if you're preparing the base layer in dry conditions, you should add water to achieve maximum compaction. Check to see if your base material has enough moisture by grabbing a handful and compressing it into a ball. If it holds a shape, you're good to go. Yes. Thing you need to keep in mind, making sure your rebars are done correctly will help make your house stronger. subscribe, comment, and like the video.